Great tools for your Instagram ads. There are a lot of great tools that you can use to create really good Instagram ads that will help you to generate more leads and sales. They will also save you a lot of time and money, as you will be able to create effective ads without the need to pay someone to do this for you. Tools for images. You're going to be using images in a number of your Instagram ads, so why not make them the best that they can be? Great images always get a lot of attention, but creating them can be difficult if you are not a graphic designer. Don't worry, because there are some great tools out there to help you. Instagram Layout. This is a free tool from Instagram that makes it very easy for you to create a multi-image collage. You can get the app for free for both iOS and Android devices. If you want to include images of multiple products or views of a single product in one post, then Layout for Instagram is a great tool. There are a number of formats that you can choose from within the Layout tool. You can easily select all of the images that you want to include as well. As this tool is an Instagram creation, there are no integration problems with the platform. Quick. In your image ads, it is very likely that you will want to include some text. This text will be used to persuade the Instagram user to click through your ad. If you are not adept at image editing, then you can do this quickly and easily by using a great little app called Quick. When you use Quick, it is very easy to not only add text to your images, but also to make adjustments to the placement of the text, the color, the size, and the font. There is a free version of the Quick app that will provide you with the capability to do most image edits, and if you want more features, you can purchase these within the app. Afterlight. If you really want to make your images stand out with great filters and editing options that go beyond the tools provided by Instagram, then you need Afterlight. There are many unique filters and lighting effects in this app, which will really make your images stand out. At the time of writing this guide, the app is available for both Android and iOS devices at a small cost of 99 cents. You will have access to 15 tools for adjustment, 15 preset cropping tools, 74 filters, 78 textures, and 128 frames. Superimpose. You can do some great image editing with the Superimpose app. For example, you can take a foreground image and remove it from the background and then place this foreground image in another image entirely. You can do other great things with Superimpose, too, such as rotate foreground images and blend images together or their textures. There are a lot of really good masking features with this app. Superimpose is available for both iOS and Android devices for just 99 cents. Tools for videos. You need to create some of your Instagram ads using videos. People really like to watch videos on Instagram, and you can make them really special by using some of the tools featured below. Pick, Play, Post. You can make really engaging video collages containing video clips, images, animated GIFs, and sounds using Pick, Play, Post. If you want to place a number of images, or a single image, next to a video, then this is easy with this app. You can also add some background music. Amazingly, Pick, Play, Post is a free app that you can use on your Android or iOS device. The app is frequently updated and new features appear from time to time. If you have an iPhone, then there is support for live photos. Lapse It. Time-lapse videos are very popular on Instagram, and now you can create your own using a great app called Lapse It. With Lapse It, you can create accelerated versions of events that slowly change, such as seeing a flower bloom from a bud in a few seconds. It is easy to import existing videos into Lapse It and then add the time-lapse effect to them. You can speed things up or slow them down using the app and also add music in the background. There are so many features in the free version for iOS and Android, and if you need more, then you can upgrade to the Pro version for only $1.99. Boomerang. You can use the free Boomerang app from Instagram to really grab attention from Instagram users. Shoot brief videos with this app, and then you can play the video backwards and forwards in an endless loop. Get Boomerang for your Android or iOS device. Tools for scheduling. To increase the likelihood of success for your Instagram ads and normal posts, you need to publish your content at the right times. There are a number of scheduling apps that make this very easy for you to do so that you increase your chances of higher engagement levels. Later. If you want to improve your Instagram marketing, then you need the Later app. The interface with Later is very easy to use and navigate, and you can use it for free with one Instagram account to schedule 30 posts per month. The free version only allows you to schedule images for posting. If you want to schedule videos and stories, then you will need to upgrade to the Plus version, which will cost you around $9 a month. Using Later is a very effective way to schedule your Instagram posts at the right time. Skeed Social. An alternative scheduling app to Later is Skeed Social. You can schedule all types of posts and stories with Skeed Social. There is a version of the app for Android and iOS devices, and there is a 7-day free trial where you can use it for a week to see if you like it. You can set up Skeed Social to send you notifications via email when posts are made. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is one of the most used social media schedulers available. It works great with Instagram and other platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. With Hootsuite, you can respond to any comments on your Instagram posts, make reposts and views, likes, etc. Plans start from $19 a month. Hopper. If you want to source content for your Instagram account as well as schedule it for posting, then Hopper is really worth considering. Their slogan is that Hopper is the #1 scheduling tool for Instagram. It is certainly a very popular application among Instagram marketers. You can do so much with Hopper, such as manage postings to multiple accounts, photo editing, commenting, reposting, and a lot more. One of the best things about Hopper is that you can use it on your laptop or desktop computer rather than trying to manage everything from a small mobile device. Plans start from $19 a month.